ladies, this is Miss Davila, and I wanted to go over with you what you might see when you log into Grok Learning. So Grok Learning is a learning platform that will help us learn to code. We're going to be learning to code in Blockly. It's very similar to Scratch, and it's also the coding language used to code the mbots. So it will help us greatly when we start to code our mbots and get them to move around. So if you'll notice, when you log on, you have a dashboard here. And just like yours, I've also been working on geometry. So yours will say start instead of continue because I've been working on this. So you'll go into that module. And you'll notice that on the side of the module, there are a series of dots and diamonds, kind of like a little necklace. And the dots are parts of the lessons that you need to read and work through. And then when you get to the diamonds, it's going to want you to actually do something. So here it's given me part of the code, and it's asked me to write a turtle program to draw a square with each side being 100 turtle steps long. The output of the program should look like this. Okay. So when I go to actually change this program, okay, I'll change it to whatever it's asking me, and then when I'm ready to run it, I can hit run. Oh, my turtle doesn't quite match this turtle. My square is a bit small, so I'll need to go back to the question and see what it's asking me to do and to modify this until I get it correct. When I get it correct, and I think I've got it just right, I'm going to hit this star called mark, and mark will actually go in and mark this assessment item, and it will then show up in your account as well as my teacher account to show me that you have completed that part of the project. Now, each of these problems that are diamonds, so we have problem 1 here and problem 2, for each of these strings, it corresponds with page 3 of your workbook. So problem 1 is the first diamond, problem 2 is the second diamond. And notice that in your workbook, it wants you to add in how you changed this. And it's going to ask you some questions about how you might find the area of that square that you just drew. So looking at a bit of maths here along with our digital technology. You will work through all of the first and all of the second lessons, including all of the problems. So a total of 5 problems there. So that's all of Module 1 that you'll work through. If you happen to get through with all of Module 1 in today's class, you can go on to Module 2, which corresponds with Workbook page 4 in your new workbook. After you get done with Module 1 and 2, then it's time to stop for the day. Thanks, girls, and if you have any questions, I'm on email and can respond back fairly quickly through that medium. Good luck programming!